Here's some Lambda Calculus trivia. Subscribe. What symbol represents function abstraction? Is it A, B, little c, scepter, D? The correct answer is B. Which field considers Lambda Calculus foundational? Is it A, artificial intelligence, B, computability theory, C, graph theory, or D, algebra? The correct answer is B, computability theory. Which type of calculus extends Lambda Calculus with types? Is it A, type Lambda Calculus, B, differential calculus, C, integral calculus, or D, untyped Lambda Calculus? The correct answer is A, typed Lambda Calculus. What does the term beta reduction describe? Is it A, function application, B, variable assignment, C, function definition, or D, function declaration? The correct answer is A, function application. In Lambda Calculus, what is a free variable? Is it A, local variable, B, bound variable, C, unbound variable, or D, abstract variable? The correct answer is C, unbound variable. What term describes the process of variable renaming? Is it A, variable binding, B, alpha conversion, C, scope resolution, or D, variable shadowing? The correct answer is B, alpha conversion. What type of functions does Lambda Calculus focus on? Is it A, named functions, B, anonymous functions, C, variables, or D, control structures? The correct answer is B, anonymous functions. In typed Lambda Calculus, what is a type system? Is it A, specification of type rules, B, rules of computation, C, set of variables, or D, syntax tree? The correct answer is A, specification of type rules. What does currying allow in function definitions? Is it A, function recursion, B, argument reassignment, C, code optimization, or D, partial application? The correct answer is D, partial application. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.